Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. You're in your Google Sheet, you're scrolling up and down, and suddenly your header row disappears. That's when you need to freeze a row. In this video, I'll show you a couple different ways to freeze rows in Google Sheets, and a few extra tips most people don't know. Let's jump in. Method 1. Freeze from the menu. Let's say this top row is our header row, and we want to keep it visible while we scroll. Go up to View, Freeze, one row, and that's it. Now when you scroll down, your header stays locked at the top. Simple. Let's undo that for a second. Method 2. Drag to freeze, the faster way. There's another way I personally think is pretty cool. Look at the top left of your sheet, right between column A and row 1. When your cursor turns into a little hand, click and drag that line downward. That also freezes the row. And here's why this method is great. You can drag it down as far as you want. Want to freeze 2 rows? Drag it to row 2. Want to freeze 5 rows? Drag it to row 5. Super flexible. Inserting rows with frozen headers. Here's something interesting. Once you freeze a row, if you insert a row above it, that new row becomes part of the frozen section. If you insert a row below the frozen line, it stays underneath the frozen area. That's helpful when you decide you need more header rows later. Freezing up to a specific row. You can also freeze based on where your cursor is. Let's say your cursor is on row 3. Go to View, Freeze. You'll now see it says up to row 3. Click it. And now rows 1 through 3 are frozen. You can freeze almost any number of rows this way. What if you freeze too many rows? Here's something important. If you freeze too many rows, you might see this message. The current window is too small to properly display the sheet. Consider resizing your sheet. That just means there isn't enough visible space. 2 solutions. Reduce the number of frozen rows. View, freeze, no rows. Zoom out a little bit. If we zoom out slightly, then go back to View, Freeze, up to row 15. Now it works without the error message. Freezing rows is a simple feature, but it makes large spreadsheets so much easier to work with. If you want to get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before, make sure you subscribe to Sheet Leveler here on YouTube. I share practical tips and smart tricks to help you work faster and cleaner in Sheets. And I'll see you in the next one.